Come test drive the 2019 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, cargo net, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.